And mutations happening in them, but they're still sharks. And when we look at the fossil record, they're still sharks. The sharks have been sharks and always are sharks, and they might be...
Actually, acanthodians came before sharks. They had bony fins, but a cartilaginous body, like a shark, but were shaped differently, and weren't true sharks yet. They were the ancestors of sharks. So sharks haven't always been sharks. They appeared later than the acanthodians in the fossil record.
Saying is that the changes that we do see are the changes that are already in the genetic plan.
There are a lot of changes that are in the sort of like pre-programmed.
Okay.
De novo mutations create new information, new genes out of nowhere. It's called de novo gene birth.
We can streamline it. We can help it. It can, it'll reproduce faster or not faster. And the ones that reproduce the fastest, they're the ones that are going to have more children in the future. That's called natural selection. There's no problem.
That's not what natural selection is.
To a bird. We're not going to get the shark to evolve into a fish.
The shark is already a fish. You say you're a marine biologist?
Types of change we see are really minor.
So we don't get one kind becoming another kind.
No. People have heard the phrase the missing link. And they usually think of between man and monkeys. No, there's missing links between almost every major group of animal and almost every other major group of animal and plant, even bacteria, throughout the entire fossil record.
I just showed you the missing link for sharks alone, and there are hundreds of others for other lineages.
It doesn't look anything like that starfish down there.
Oh, the starfish. Actually, the starfish is his cousin.
Are you serious? You can't be serious.
Absolutely.
How can they be cousins if they're not related genetically and didn't evolve?
These different branches.
How do we know them? We've studied them. We've looked around the world in all the different environments. And scientists have collected, measured, preserved all these different forms of life. But the most amazing thing about the oceans...
We've also sequenced a lot of the DNA of those organisms and shown that they're related to each other.
Story, but Linnaeus is the one who organized it like that for us. He didn't believe in the evolution thing. It was even more funny, more amazing.
Linnaeus died decades before evolution was proposed by Charles Darwin. These people are deliberately dishonest.